Welcome friends once again, and today we will talk about intents. Intent is one of among the five main component in Android. We know the five main components are activities, intent, services, broadcast receiver, and content provider. And intent is one of among them. Intent plays a very important role in creating Android application. Intent act like a message passing object, or you can say switching mechanism. For example, you are creating an application, and in your application you require more than one activities. So how you can perform a navigation from one activity to another activity? And this is possible by using an intent. So here intent plays a role of message passing object. By using an intent, you can navigate from one activity to another activity. Not only this, you can also use intent to invoke services and broadcast receiver. So as per the technical definition, an intent is a description of an operation to be performed. It's an object that is used to request an action from another app component via the Android system. Not only you can use intent to invoke within an application component, but also you can use intent to invoke another application components. Now let's talk about intent purpose. Intent can be used in three contexts. It can use to start a service, for example, a login button. By clicking it, you can start a welcome activity. You can also invoke a photo application that you can make it to share with another applications. You can also start a service that, for example, initiating a service for downloading a file in a background, or you can use intent to deliver a broadcast. The system inform everybody that you have a message to arrive, like an example. There are basically two types of intents that's supported by Android. They are explicit, that can start a specific activity. Implicit intents that ask a system to find an activity that can handle this request. There is a subtle difference between this explicit and implicit. When we say a explicit, that means you are writing a pure Java code and trying to invoke within an application component. And when we say an implicit, that means you are trying to force operating system to find the particular intent. So this intent may be used to invoke within an application component, and also you can use it to invoke another application component. So implicit intent has some benefit over explicit, with additional like invoking another application component. I will show you a demonstration how you can use intent to perform various operations. Thanks for watching it. Be with me.